I strongly recommend to have your cams or cameras ready to capture all the amazing and daring maneuvers that will be displayed for all of you here in Singapore Airshow 2012. Please turn your attention to the right and keep those cams rolling, painting the skies of Singapore black with the smoke. Here comes the Smokey Bandits! Smokey 5 detaching from the formation to carry out the 5G 40 degrees nose-up John Derry to the left, demonstrating the power and agility of the sexy MiG-29N aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes again Smokey 5 performing an 8G snatchback and exiting to make way for the Smokey formation to fly in. Ladies and gentlemen, keep the cams ready, coming in from the center in split formation with the trademark maneuver. Here comes Smokey 1 and 2 with a daring 5G cross turn. Followed by Smokey 3 and 4 for a 6G climbing cross turn. To the right, as here comes Smokey 5 in an inverted flight. As we see them performing, let me remind you that the Smokey Bandits are in reality a fully operational combat unit and not a dedicated full-time air display team. All the pilots and crew are combat ready at all times for the defense of Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, focus attention to the left. Still maintaining at high speed. Here comes Smokey 5 with yet another fascinating sequence. The 4-point roll. Positions for the next move. The MiG-29N is well known for her G ability, as here we just seen it throughout the show. The pilot's fitness and G tolerance is an important factor to be considered. Focus your attention to the right, as here comes Smokey 5 still in high speed, coming in for the 40 degrees nose-up John Derry. There was Smokey 5 pulling up 8G and performing the high G barrel roll. Ladies and gentlemen, keep the cams ready. Coming in from the left at altitude of 500 feet. The Smokey Bandits formation coming in a swan formation, which will switch to a diamond formation while making an oblique turn to further demonstrate to you the art of close formation flying and coordination. formation repositions for the next maneuver. Let me share some information on the Smokey Bandits team. The term Smokey Bandits was originally coined by visiting foreign Air Force pilots in reference to the black cloud of smoke generated by MiG-29's clean-off engines. The Smokey Bandits team was officially named during Lima 2003 and since then have been famously known as that. Prior to be called the Smokey Bandits, the team was well known as Taufan Ganas, which means the Raging Storm. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, keep those cams rolling, and just for your wonderful audience, here comes the Smokey Bandits rolling out to the crowd center, still in diamond formation, with their landing gears lowered and what we love to call the eyes of Fulcrum. Slicing the skies of Singapore is the spectacular razor-sharp knife-edge maneuver. The MiG-29 is one of the most agile aircraft of its generation and is well known throughout the world for its performance. Here comes again, bad boy of Smokey Bandits. Smokey Funk, a speed of more than 600 kilometers per hour for a full afterburner 8G turn, displaying the red hot afterburners. The MiG-29N demonstrates the power of RD-33 engines with 36,000 pounds of thrust. Distinguished ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, as for the grand finale, coming in from the crowd center, flying in box formation at 500 feet, the Smokey Bandits will execute a 4-ship bombers. Get the cams ready. And now here comes Smokey 5 as he daringly flies through the center of the formation in an aileron roll. With a spectacular air display from the Smokey Bandits. Would you kindly join me for a big round of applause to the Smokey Bandits and the MiG-29N for the spectacular air display. The Royal Malaysian Air Force and the Malaysian Chief of Air Force wishes to thank all of you for being great and wonderful audience here in Singapore Airshow 2012. Don't forget, the Smokey Bandits will be here again tomorrow to further mesmerize you with our sexy birds, the Mikoyan Gurabits MiG-29. As for now, I'm Major Jack signing out on behalf of the team. Thank you, terima kasih, and see you again.